Well, hi there. My name is Tim Coley, and today I'd like to read for you Stuck by Oliver Jeffers. Stuck. Dedicated to those who were there: Papa, Rosebud, Dave Bud, the other brother, Arn, Chester, and Sam. It all began when Floyd's kite became stuck in a tree. He tried pulling and swinging, but it wouldn't come unstuck. The trouble really began when he threw his favorite shoe to knock the kite loose. And that got stuck too. So he threw up his other shoe to knock down his favorite one, and unbelievably, that got stuck as well. In order to knock down his other shoe, Floyd fetched Mitch. Cats get stuck in trees all the time, but this was getting ridiculous. Floyd fetched a ladder. He was going to sort this out once and for all. And up he threw it. I'm sure you can guess what happened. The ladder was borrowed from a neighbor and would definitely need to be put back before anyone noticed. And in order to do so, Floyd flung a bucket of paint at it. And wouldn't you know it, the bucket of paint got stuck. Then Floyd tried a duck to knock down the bucket of paint, a chair to knock down the duck, his friend's bicycle to knock down the chair, the kitchen sink to knock down his friend's bicycle, Floyd's front door to knock down the kitchen sink, the family car to knock down the front door. Hello? The milkman to knock down the family cat. Did you get up here the same way? An orangutan to knock down the milkman, who surely had somewhere else to be. A small boat to knock down the orangutan. A big boat to knock down the small boat. A rhinoceros to knock down the big boat. A long-distance truck to knock down the rhinoceros. The house across the street to knock down the long-distance truck. Floyd? A lighthouse to knock down the house no longer across the street. A curious whale in the wrong place at the wrong time to knock down the lighthouse. Hi, what are you doing? And they all got stuck. Wait till I tell your mother. A fire engine was passing and heard all the commotion. The firemen stopped to see if they could help at all. Can we help at all? And up they went. First the engine, followed by the firemen, one by one. And there they stayed, stuck between the orangutan and one of the boats. Firemen would definitely be noticed missing, and Floyd knew he'd be in big trouble. Then he had an idea, and he went to find a saw. He lined it up as best he could and hurled it up the tree. And that was it. There was no more room left in the tree, and the kite came unstuck. Floyd was delighted. He had forgotten all about his kite and put it to use immediately, enjoying the rest of his day very much. That night, Floyd fell asleep exhausted. But before he did, he could have sworn there was something he was forgetting. Hang on a minute, lads. I've got a great idea. The end.
So that was a great story. Thanks to Tim Coley for reading it for us. He's one of our wonderful volunteers at Southtown Reading Foundation, and we really appreciate that he took the time to make that video. It's a great story. Stuck. Oh my gosh, there were so many unpredictable things in that story. Our reading tip for the day, making predictions. So, when you're looking at the story, what do you think might happen? Oh, his kite is stuck up in the tree. Oh, do you think he'll be able to get it out? Oh, what do you think he might do? Thinking about predictions is great for building a sense of logic and problem solving. And it's really, really funny when things don't go the way that you plan, right? So he gets that kite stuck up in the tree and he can't get it down. And he throws his shoe. Oh no, his shoe's stuck. And then the other shoe. Well, it gets pretty crazy when the fireman gets stuck up there. So, enjoy the silliness of the story and let them give you some ideas on the logic and the illogical parts of the story and think through what are some things he could really do to get his kite out of the tree. This guy's crazy. Oh my gosh. So have those conversations. Have a good day.